Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix content warning adult content on X. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first stop is go ahead and open up your favorite browser, okay, as we will need a browser for this setting or this one setting to set up. Okay, so go ahead over to x.com, just like so, and log in with your X account. Once logged in, go ahead over to the top left, tap on the profile or your profile, scroll down and find settings and privacy. Tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on privacy and safety. Right here, tap on content you see. Okay. Tap on it, and here make sure that display media that may contain sensitive content is enabled. Okay. Make sure that you display media that contain or may contain sensitive content. Turn it on, and once that's done, just go ahead and go back, or you can go ahead and refresh the page if you want to. Okay. Right here, refresh. And check if the settings has been made or this changes has been saved. Privacy and safety, content you see, check. Now you can go ahead and open up the application and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix content warning adult content on X. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.